What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to do the block blast glitch. So there are multiple glitches that you can do in this update. There are some glitches which you can perform in order to upskill your game. So let's dive right into the video. So number one glitch is infinite move glitch. So what you guys can do is you can tap on different sort of blocks, and what it will do basically, it can actually skip the counting of the blocks, and you can still use your move in order to get the points. So the second glitch, which is a very good glitch, and that is you can undo your move if you make a move wrong. For example, if you make a move and you come to a conclusion that you could have played a better move immediately, so what you have to do is to go and close the app immediately in order to undo the move. So how it works, basically what you have to do is go back to the application and make a move, for example here, and what you have to do is to close the app immediately before the move is being registered. So if you do that, your move won't be registered and you can play the same move again. So these glitches are working as of now. As I'm recording the video, this might be fixed in the future updates. So you guys can perform it right now. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful.